Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today is a little bit of a different video as it is a general crypto analysis video.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and yeah, this is going to be a general video. It's not financial advice, and we'll be going why Bitcoin is currently consolidating right now and what's actually happening within the eco space of cryptocurrency as of right now.
But before we get into this video, please may I ask you, press this red subscribe button as only 5.6% of you are subscribed or watch our videos. And also if you go down below and press that like button if you enjoyed this video, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.
As we can see with Bitcoin, okay, we've seen a big correction, a 52% correction, all right? And as you can see, there's a lot of people getting scared, saying, why is Bitcoin doing this? I've lost money. But in reality, you've not lost anything. Just keep in mind why you got into crypto. You got into crypto because this is decentralized. It's a new way for our financial system, okay? And keep in mind, there is still a finite amount of Bitcoin. There's 11% left in circulation, all right? So it's going to be difficult for you to get Bitcoin on exchanges now, and it's going to be more difficult in the future as well to actually buy and sell Bitcoin. There'll only be a few people that have Bitcoin, and yeah, which is why it's best to start accumulating Bitcoin rather than any other coin. All right, but it's not financial advice, by the way, so I just have to put that out there. And as you can see, yeah, so the 52% correction has put us at 37,000. We were at 64,000 at all-time highs, okay, which is still amazing. And yeah, in this video, we'll basically be going through why the Bitcoin cycle is not finished yet, okay? And there's still a long way to happen as of right now. And we're going to be going through the Bitcoin rainbow chart and the altcoin season index and seeing what's actually happening with the altcoins, not just Bitcoin as well. So this is going to be a very informational based video.
So I'm mainly going to be talking about Ethereum and altcoins, what's going to be going on in the future with them. But what I can tell you basically for a fact for Ethereum is in around 44 days now, depending when this video is uploaded, hopefully same day, should be 44 days. EIP 1559 will be released. So this is where Ethereum is getting upgraded, so the gas fees will be a lot better. So the gas limit, so the fees you're paying for sending out your Ethereum will be a lot less. So, and this was one of the biggest problems for Ethereum, was the amount of time it took to confirm and how much it costs to actually send out that Ethereum, or you just use it. The only thing you can really do with Ethereum is just hold it. So and it's gonna, from this being released, is this you're gonna explode from the EIP 1559.
Yes, as Louis said, we're going to be expecting a lot of bullish actions from Ethereum as it's going to start becoming more deflationary asset. All right, so as we can see, this is the Bitcoin price chart, okay? And from the beginning of Bitcoin's legacy, right? Bitcoin started off at around a few dollars, and we tend to see cycle peaks happening towards the red and orange zone. And we're currently right now sitting on the hodl zone, okay? So people are saying buy more Bitcoin as it's very, very cheap right now, okay? People are hodling, people are accumulating more Bitcoin because why would you want to buy Bitcoin at 64K when now you've got more of a discount at 37K, okay? Keep in mind it went to 33, 31K a few days ago, so that would have been an even better price. But yeah, now it's 37K, so it's, people are accumulating more of it. People are saying it's a bull trap when in reality it's a bear trap, okay? There's a lot of stuff that happened. DeFi is going to explode. All this kind of stuff is going to explode as well. Same as 2020 when the DeFi summer hit and we saw a lot of decentralized finance coins start to expand and do very well within this period. As of right now, we are in a hodl period, and soon we're going to be on the is this a bubble period and then FOMO intensified. We have not been in FOMO intensified yet. We have been, is this in a bubble period? Okay, we have been on the orange period, but we've not been on the FOMO yet. So yeah, that's soon to come as well. This is why the cycle may be extended longer than what you may expect. So we may experience maybe the peak to happen next year around May, June, July time, okay, which is not what many people would expect. Many people expect the bull run to be over, okay, which is, from this data we're seeing here, it is not over, far from over.
So as you can see, we are actually still in alt season. We are still in an alt season, hence why a lot of coins are still pumping. A lot of altcoins are still pumping. Now, I know I've said this in an older video before, but if we look in the 2017 charts, and we'll look at what it is right now actually first. as you can see, it hasn't even hit 100 once yet, and we've been in alt seasons for a long time now, and we haven't even touched 100. The highest we've hit is 98. So if we go for all, we see in 2017 it was at 100 for about a long time. It was there for 2 consecutive months, and then it went back up again to 100 about another month later. So I think we still have a lot to go, because if we look about where we are now, sorry, if we look at where we are now, it's just, you see, we've got a long way to go with this. And another thing I want to say about, as Hamza mentioned with Bitcoin, remember when you first invested in your altcoins, remember why. I'm assuming this was because you wanted to have enough to invest in Bitcoin in the future. Um, Remember why, what the fundamentals were before you got into those altcoins. Remember what made you get into it, because if you remember these reasons, it will help you to hodl. This is how we keep hodling our coins.
So as we've seen, okay, we've seen a lot of, crazy actions, especially from Dogecoin right now. It's just a lot of crazy stuff happening. You see meme coins doing well, you see Dogecoin doing well, you see all these crazy coins doing well. And this is one of the reasons why we are experiencing a lot of FUD recently, because just look at this, Dogecoin is up 32% almost in 24 hours, which is not normal, okay? This shouldn't be happening. So we are currently experiencing crazy stuff within this environment. Coins like XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin that have been here for a very long time, okay, are, not doing as well, which is crazy. But yeah, that's just what it is right now, and yeah, what we are experiencing. Overall, I think that altcoin season is still, valid. It's still going to happen. There's a lot of hope. There's a lot of data backing what we're saying as well. So the only thing we can do is wait, okay? If you're still holding, best to start accumulating more in dips, which is what I would be doing. And yeah.
Alright, this is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press subscribe and also like, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.